Alright guys, I'm so excited. I got these in the mail. And I used to wear these. My mom used to do these when I was in high school and middle school, and I just used to love using them. So, but however, I don't know how to use them because my mom used to do my hair all the time. So we're gonna test out the theories. The first thing I have to do though, and if you hear that, that's my bird. The first thing I have to do is blow dry my hair. It's not sopping wet, but I want it to be a little more dry because it's definitely still a little damp. Like I just got out of the shower. So I'm gonna do that first and then we'll recuperate. I'm also gonna use some leave-in conditioner. Alright, leave-in conditioner is in. I look like I have, what are those called when you shave the top of your head? Or this is all a mullet? I look like I have a mullet. But anyway, it is quite damp, as you can tell. So I'm gonna blow dry and then we'll be right back. Alright, so my hair is now somewhat dryish. I do part my hair down the middle, so I think I'm going to do sections like this, potentially, right? Honestly, this is just going to be like, kind of guessing as I'm going, so I guess let's start with my bangs, my front bits, if you will. Honestly, I'm kind of confused as to what I'm doing, but let's just hope for the best. Alright, I'll be right back once I put this in. Alright, I think I'm going to start with the big rollers for the front, and I think I'm going to go like this. Okay, that's something. Let's just pop it in. Oh. Is there a way to kind of want that like that for now while I'm continuing to do these? I think I'm just gonna kind of willy-nilly just throw in curls wherever. I think I'm gonna do the big one's gonna go there, and then I'm just gonna kind of throw in curls wherever, just like in patches, I guess. Alright, I did this one. Kind of wish they could go more into the head, but I don't really know what I'm doing wrong. I'm also watching H2O, if that's what you're hearing.
This is just perfect. You're the one who... just crooks. I'm not arguing.
You kind of wish they could go closer to the scalp, and I'm confused why I'm struggling so much with that. Like, I'm rolling them more. Oh.
Guys, what's up? You, looking for...
I've been using these middle ones.
You're not going to turn into a vampire or something, eh?
I'm getting good at this, you guys.
It's okay. Everyone's...
Thanks.
Okay, let's do this little guy here.
Well, where's your dad?
Alright, this is what we're working with. They're a little rough, okay?
I have two announcements to make.
But
Lewis has been officially reinstated in the competition and is the
we're working,
outright
you
winner
know, we're
of
working
the
on it.
heaviest catch, beating his nearest rival by exactly 5 grams.
Some of these are really bad, but it's okay. Honestly, it's just, you just gotta play it by ear, you know? Figure it out.
I have some...
Things come in free. Want it to last for Also, another update. I saw the green one in the back looked kind of rough,
I find
so I
you
fixed it. I'm gonna check
quite
that and see what it looks like, but we're getting there. Only a little bit left. This is where we are on the roller front. We have these still
What's up?
and all the little ones. I don't usually really use these big ones, so
What's she looking at?
that one feels secure.
Wheatgrass, carrot, and papaya juice. Coming up.
That sounds
One
gross.
day.
Pushing up on this side.
I'm telling you, I thought I was a goner.
I think I don't know if I do one more big one or two separate ones. I think I'm gonna do two
Something
separate ones.
grabbed me. I passed out.
I'm gonna use these
Next thing I
color.
know, I'm on the beach.
I thought you were looking at Miss Chaff.
Nick, I tell you,
I
I'm
am.
something
This
like
came up. A newsreel from the 50s. Any excuse to
I'm
get back to
getting
your
kinda
monster.
tired, so-
This is a hoax. For your information,
Honestly though, this hasn't taken too long. It's just like getting used to the movements and what like keeps it secure.
Imagining there were communist subs everywhere. All kinds of stuff.
stack off.
Okay. So where did we go?
Zane, what you doing?
I ain't going back out there for a long time.
Too busy for me.
I've been scared like that all my life.
And I think I'm gonna wrap my head in
I'm
a
going shopping
t-shirt.
for some belly button rings, and I wanted the guy's opinion.
The vision was dragged ashore by a local girl.
Let me see if I can
16-year-old Louise Chatham.
fix this.
You're a Louise.
I don't feel like that. Talk to me. Look, we have to dry your hair and get you back to normal as soon as possible.
I'm loving this. Alright, I think this is the final look.
I know you're not going to approve of this, and I don't want to.
I think I wanna redo this one.
Anyway. Okay. But that old woman, Miss Chatham.
And I
need
think I want to
talk
use
her.
a smaller
I don't know where
one.
she is.
Miss Chatham, you might want to talk to her, Zane, but I'm pretty sure she doesn't want to talk to
I
you.
really like the
We've
color
had
of
our
these.
differences, sure, but
Okay, I think I'm gonna do two separate
I think she
ones.
knows. Emma,
I just want to see what it's like to do
I
all
need
different
answers. This is all I
colors
can think
everywhere.
about. She knows something about the sea creature.
Look, Zane, I don't know what happened to you, but Miss Chatham's my friend, and it's your fault her boat sank.
You're not going to help me, are you?
Okay, let's try this one. So let's redo this one too. Alright,
So what are we gonna do about Zane?
I can't wait to see it in the morning. I'm so excited. Watch out, boys. I'm coming in. Guys, so I'm going to take out my curlers. At first, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to sleep with these because I do have a harder pillow. But I ended up sleeping really well. So I'm going to take these all out. I think I'm going to start with the back. Okay. Got some hair coming off there. Oh. That's a curly cue. Oh, it's so cute. I'm glad glad I did different ringlets, because if I did my entire head, that one ringlet, my hair would be crazy. I woke up way earlier than when I usually wake up because I was so excited. Wow, this looks really good. I'm so happy. That first one I was like, They're really easy to take out. I think the first one was just hard to take out because I slept on my back most of the night. Oh my god. Oh! I'm kind of curious how these are gonna work. She's gonna be very curly. My Nana called me Curly Sue. Let's get the ones in the back. Alright, I'm gonna keep taking them out and I'll be right back. I have the whole bottom half done. Take out the top. I used to do this all the time in high school and I loved it. I really loved doing my hair like this. I just think it's so fun and it's heatless. My hair comes so curly and they're pretty easy to take out for the most part. As I say that. Oh. I'm so happy. These are some proper curls. Gosh, every time I take one out, I'm so surprised at how curly it is. It's like the perfect ringlet curls. All right, now to take out my bangs. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh my god, they're so cute, but I don't know what to do with these bangs. Oh my gosh, they might need to be pinned back. You guys, this is so cute. Now these are some curls. Oh my god. And the great, I should say, the pro and the con at the same time is my hair holds curls like you wouldn't believe. This is the final look. Some pieces didn't get as curly as I would hope, but it looks very good. I'm very happy with it. The back did